What if I told you this $100 bill sitting in your wallet right now could actually be working for you instead of disappearing on things you won't even remember next week? Think about it. Food delivery, subscriptions, random spending, gone. But what if instead that same $100 started making you money while you sleep, while you scroll, while you live your life? No hype, no scams, no unrealistic promises. Just real passive income ideas. And today, I'm giving you 5 simple ways to do exactly that. Let's get into it.
These are not random tips. These are 5 proven, beginner-friendly passive income ideas that you can start with $100 or even less. No complicated setup, no big investment. Just simple ideas that actually work if you stay consistent. So, if you're serious about starting, you're in the right place. Let's break it down.
Idea number 1, high-yield savings.
Let's start with idea number 1, high-yield savings accounts. And I know, it sounds boring, but not all savings accounts are the same. Some actually pay you around 4 to 5% interest just for keeping your money there. Now, yes, $100 won't change your life overnight, but that's not the point. The real power is consistency. When you keep adding money every month, your money slowly starts growing in the background. No stress, no effort, just steady progress.
Idea number 2, dividend stocks. Now, idea number 2, dividend stocks. This is where things start getting interesting. You invest in a company and they pay you regularly just for holding their stock. It's like earning rent, but without owning property. And with fractional shares, you can start with just $100. Small investment, but over time, it can turn into a steady stream of income. Idea number 3, digital products. Now, idea number 3, digital products. This is where things get really powerful. You create something once and sell it again and again. No inventory, no shipping, no extra work. It could be templates, planners, guides, anything useful. And people are making real money doing this. Imagine waking up and seeing sales come in overnight. That's the power of digital products.
Idea number 4, micro-investing. Now, idea number 4, micro-investing. What if you could invest in real estate without buying property? That's exactly what this allows. Your money gets pooled and invested into real buildings and projects. You earn returns without doing any heavy work. It's simple, automated, and perfect for beginners.
Idea number 5, sell photos and videos. And finally, idea number 5, selling photos and videos. If you have a smartphone, you already have what you need. Businesses need content every single day, and they pay for it. You upload once and earn again and again over time. Simple, but powerful.
So let's recap. Number 1, high-yield savings. Number 2, dividend stocks. Number 3, digital products. Number 4, micro-investing. Number 5, selling content. 5 simple ways to turn $100 into something bigger. You don't need more money. You just need to start.
So now I want to know, which one are you starting? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you want step-by-step guidance, just let me know. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.